everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Jill Vlog. So for today, I will be making a very quick video na kung saan I will do a makeup look na naka-face mask. So that is our new normal makeup look and I'll be doing it really fast because it's almost time for me to go. I will be going to the school of my kids to get their stuff. We don't really need too much makeup. So mangyayari is half lang. Okay? But we will try as much as possible na yung foundation natin or anything that we put on our face will not be transferring to the mask. Okay? So, here it is in 3, 2, 1. So, for the first thing that after I wash my face, I put on a toner. And then now I will be moisturizing my face. I'll be using a tinted moisturizer. So napaka-important po na we moisturize our face, especially kung maglalagay tayo ng face mask because our skin needs to breathe. Moisturizer by QuickFx. Kamay-kamay lang mga momshies. Alam natin na we are very busy. This is makeup under pressure for mommies. So, medyo bigyan natin ng mga 1 to 2 minutes so that the moisturizer will sink in our skin. Sanay tayong mag-foundation. It's okay kasi sometimes kailangan din sa work, no, to look at least presentable kahit half lang of the face. Ako naman, pupunta lang sa school ng kids ko, but of course, I feel comfortable if I wear foundation kahit konti lang. And then, I'm putting Maybelline Fit Me. And I'll be using this brush. Just dump. Okay. So, dito sa baba, medyo konti lang kailangan natin ilagay. Your face. So, not too much. We don't need heavy makeup at this point. Okay. So just spread it evenly. Comes back to life. Hindi na rin natin kailangan mag-contour. With the setting powder, very lightly. Okay, we don't want to put too much because naka-cover naman ang ating face and of course our skin needs to breathe. Yan, dahil half lang kailangan natin ng kilab. Cheek and tint natin hindi na masyadong nagagamit, but if you still want, pwede rin naman just in case accidentally you need to open your face mask, so at least may something tayong and ganto lang. Ganyan ang mga secret ng mga quick mama on the move. Okay? So, medyo red yung Itong cheek tint na ito. Okay. That's it. And let's see. Face mask tayo. So, this side, ito yung may matigas na side. Dito yung sa nose. Sa bridge. Yan. Medyo bend natin konti to lift. So, this is our new normal face makeup. Okay? So, later, pagbalik natin, I will check kung nag-transfer yung foundation na nilagay ko dito sa face mask na ito. See you later! Super hot. It's 12 or it's 12:50. Okay, so now we're home. Mag-alcohol tayo. Alright, so tingnan natin what happened to the makeup, kung nag-transfer ba siya. And okay, so it's clear. It's still clean. Wala pong nag-transfer na makeup. So, that's it for today. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye! Who's that? Hello, Celestia! Why? Because, Mommy went out. Now you're happy?
She's happy now.
Happy.
And she got that thing on there.
Ay, wait lang.